When your marketing plan says, more video please, but your budget says, let's be smart, AI video tools suddenly become exciting. Two platforms that have grabbed attention lately are Runway Gen-3 and Pika Labs. Both let you generate highly creative video content without the full studio production process. But they aren't the same. Let's break down how they stack up for marketers, what each does best, and which one might be the smarter fit for your brand. First up, Runway Gen-3. This tool has been developed by a company known for pushing the bounds of video creation. Gen-3 supports text-to-video and image-to-video workflows. For example, you upload a still image or write a descriptive prompt and Gen-3 generates a short video clip in minutes. For marketers, that means you can iterate ideas quickly, product teaser, brand scene, animated hero visual, all without building every frame manually. Some of the standout features include control over style, motion, scene composition, and even first and last frames. On the flip side, Gen-3 has some constraints. Video durations are relatively short, initially 5 to 10 seconds, and you may need to fine-tune your prompts carefully to get usable results. If you're comfortable experimenting and you want to launch bold visuals quickly, Runway Gen-3 is a strong choice. Now let's look at Pika Labs. Pika is newer, but it's focused sharply on accessibility and speed for creators and marketers. With Pika, you can use text prompts, upload images, or even animate characters using built-in tools like Pika Frames and Pika Effects for transitions, effects, and stylized motion. What appeals to marketers is that Pika is designed for social-ready clips, product promo moments, and quick turnarounds. It emphasizes mobile, templates, and distribution-friendly output. The trade-off is that while Pika is fast and fun, it might have less of the high-fidelity production polish or deep cinematic control that the more advanced Gen-3 platform offers. For brands prioritizing speed and quantity over ultra-craft, Pika Labs is highly compelling. In summary, Pika Labs is the speed-first, marketer-friendly video creator built for output and ease. Runway Gen-3 is the control-first, quality-first platform built for creative depth and standout visuals. Both are powerful. Both unlock video in a way that was impossible just a few years ago. Your best pick depends on whether you value speed plus volume or polish plus distinctive brand presence. Pick the one aligned with your campaign goals and spend less time editing and more time innovating. You'll start making video content that actually supports your brand growth.